Hey guys, it's Joni
and Jana.
We are the HCG Besties.
HCG.
What did I say?
HGC. I do that all the time too, though. But it's okay.
I didn't say that. Just kidding. I was looking on Facebook. I was looking on YouTube last night, and I typed in HCG Besties to see if I could find us, and I found another couple.
I know, and I feel awful because Mike said that today too. He said there's an HCG Bestie style.
That's the one I saw. They had 6 videos.
Okay, so maybe they started and
not,
then stopped, but we did not take their name. I didn't even know they existed, so I feel kind of bad.
It's not copyrighted though, right?
It's not, and we are not stylish, apparently.
We're not. They are way cuter than we are. We are frumpy, old teachers.
Aw.
We're 31. They're like 20.
I'm 31 for about how many more hours? 3 more hours?
We are 31 and they are 20. That's the point. We are old. They are young. So there is a difference. We are now going to refer to ourselves as the...
I'm not going to say I'm frumpy.
Golden.
Golden
HCG Besties.
Okay.
Golden girls.
Not quite. We're in our prime. We're the youngest ones on the block, by the way. In the cul-de-sac.
Everyone else is in their 40s and we're...
I hope they don't ever watch this. Okay, moving on. So a few things. Well, Joni, give us an update. We'll do this in a minute.
Okay. My scale has been off a little, and I've been going off of a scale that measures in pounds only. So I decided to scratch all that and start over and go off of my most, the last weight on the other scale. And it was 155 on Wednesday, and today I was 149.2. So whatever happened in the past few days, I'm down 5.8 pounds since Wednesday, for a grand total on our first week on this diet of 9.4 pounds.
Yay! That's so exciting! Isn't it exciting?
Yeah. I've never lost that much weight that's like the size of a baby. A big newborn baby.
That's true.
I mean, can you imagine that
you just
falling
lost
off
a
of
baby.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Or a bowling ball. I will not choose the bowling ball that weighs 10 pounds. It is too heavy.
So, I weighed this morning, and Tom is still here, and I can tell you that this round has been, he was early and unwelcomed, but it's been, like, uncomfortable because I'm trying not to take any medicine, so, but I don't feel like I've been hungry, and a lot of the symptoms that I normally have, I don't really have, although I am craving chocolate still. I was down 1.6, so I'm at a total of 12.6.
That's great while Tom is here.
I know. So
maybe Tom should stick around a while.
I'm nervous, though. Tomorrow I go back to work. So not only will stress return, but my long days will return, and I have to get up at 5. So I've been weighing at about 11, and now I'm going to be weighing at 5. So I might not see. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about tomorrow's weigh-in, but I'll still let you know.
That'll be good.
So today, my birthday's tomorrow, so Joni went out and got me this cute little birthday basket, and we decided we wanted to test our HCG, so she got me a pregnancy test for my birthday. So we tested the HCG, and we can kind of barely see a line that says it's positive, but at first we were like, oh my gosh, it's negative, our stuff isn't good, but the more we researched, we realized it's probably not that big of a deal. But
I peed on my stick. I didn't read the rules.
I wish we could tell that whole story, but it's too long.
It is.
Yeah. She didn't know that you had to test the drops and not your own urine, but that's okay.
Jana's used to that. I do that stuff all the time.
Do you want to talk about this?
Well, I really wanted to try the chocolate again, the chocolate delight. So, Jana got a hint or a tip to mix the stevia with milk.
A little bit of milk.
We only added a tablespoon of milk and about 18 packets of
the stevia.
Like a powdered like stevia this time. Yesterday it was granulated. So it helped a lot.
But we put it on the stove, so we melted it basically.
Yeah. And we made a liquid stevia with milk. Hopefully
So
it
we're
doesn't
gonna
ruin.
taste it again.
We're going to do it once again. Hopefully we don't have the funny faces we had last time. Oh, I love it.
Oh, that is so much better.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Do I have it on my face?
Yeah.
I do?
A little.
Right here.
Other side.
Okay. Good.
Mm-hmm. It's not.
It's dark chocolate.
It's dark chocolate. It's really like 80% dark chocolate type. You know, the bigger the percentage.
But really, you would only need one of these a day. I would be satisfied because this gives you a chocolate taste. It is definitely dark chocolate, and I prefer milk chocolate. But this would definitely give us our fill for the day, right? If we just had one, which we will.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I might have more.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what else? Oh, I want to tell you something exciting. I know I've been, this last 2 weeks, I think we've watched probably a total of 100 hours YouTube between the three. Well, really just two of us. Mike watches a little bit, but so a lot of people talk about their Facebook, and I'm like, well, what Facebook group? And I was looking, and I did join a few Facebook groups, but then I noticed that a lot of people had their own little Facebook account for their HCG name or whatever. So I went on and I created a Facebook page for the HCG Besties. So I want to keep in touch with people on Facebook because I feel like there's a lot of communication that goes on Facebook. I know with my own friends it does. So we are now officially on Facebook as the HCG Besties, and if you want to find us and friend us, we would love that because I think YouTube has been a huge source of motivation and very informative, and I think that just kind of staying in touch with everybody is also going to be really helpful. So, no?
No, I think it's great. I just saw something funny.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Anyway.
All right.
I will share with you some of my challenges this week. I have a really hard time drinking water. Going into this, I never drank water. The doctors got on to me all the time when I was pregnant, too. I just don't drink water. I don't like it. So it's been really hard. And I bought myself one of the half-gallon jugs that's like this big. And it's too overwhelming. I don't even want to look at it. I decided to try a new strategy of getting something a little smaller, so I went down half of that to the 32-ounce Rubbermaid jug.
Do you think, though, because when I'm at work, I drink water, like, because I teach at a middle school, so I teach 6 classes, but there's 8 periods. So between every class, I'm filling up my water at the water fountain. Do you think that you could just set a goal, like, in this class period, I'm going to get through this water?
I might draw little lines on my bottle and say, okay, drink this much at this time. I might have to do something like that.
Yeah, just make it a goal.
It might help.
Or a game. Make it a game.
A game. I'm going to make
Against
my
yourself.
kids tell me to drink my water.
Yeah.
That's a good one. They love
If
to
I
tell me
don't
what
drink
to do.
my water, you do not have to do your homework tonight.
Then they won't tell me.
Oh.
But
If I drink my water, then I will give you what?
one answer on your homework.
Okay.
Whatever.
Anyway,
I'll have the kids
whatever.
help me. Another thing I want to talk about was vegetables. Some people around here don't really like vegetables very much. And I'm sure that's the case with all of America since we are so...
I
know,
like
vegetables.
vegetables. It's limited to what we can have on this, and it gets boring. I really need to learn how to, which I've tried to do, is to like put my vegetables in whatever I'm making, so it's kind of hidden. But I do not like cucumber. I've decided I don't like it. Now I will eat it and I will down it, but it is gross.
I don't like cucumbers unless it has something on it.
Yeah, I need to try something on it. But
So, yeah.
Spinach is what I've been
A suggestion
sticking with.
that I have to my friend Jana and Mike is a capful of vinegar, white vinegar, whatever we're allowed to have, and just a little more lemon juice than that. And pour that on top of your salads or your vegetables, and it really tastes good with a little salt and pepper.
And you know what else I want to try, which I've heard is the spray
I looked at it
dressings.
today, and it has some oils in it.
But there's a kind at Sprouts, that store, that you can get, that's a spray, and I want to get that. I think that would make a world of difference, because...
Which is probably the same thing as vinegar and lemon in a bottle. I might make my own. It's pretty much probably the same. But I'm no expert, so who knows. I've also tallied up my calories this evening to see just how many calories I'm intaking, and I was surprised to find that it was only 400 calories. So that surprised me, and I was wondering if it's okay. Do I need to eat lots of these little guys every day to make up for it? Or do I need to add more vegetables?
I don't think this is like to get your calories in. Well,
shall I add more vegetables? Shall I add more protein? If you have any advice...
That's kind of a good question. That is a good question, not kind of. It is.
Where should I add? Should I add more vegetables or should I add more protein?
I don't think you can add more. You can eat all the vegetables, right? You can eat all the vegetables, but I don't think you can add more protein. I don't know. We're not experts. We're just learning.
We're learning.
But we better go because it's kind of been a long video.
Oh, I have one more question.
Oh, one more. Okay.
Just one.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm kind of limited on the readily available proteins in my house, and I have like fish yesterday. I made a bunch of fish last night. So today I had fish and spinach for lunch, and I had the fish and some cucumbers for dinner. Am I going to hurt my chances of losing weight by having fish twice in one day? It's the same kind of fish.
Oh.
They say not to have the same meal twice a day, but I'm changing my vegetable, not my meat. Because I'm the only one eating it, and so I'd like to get it over with, you know?
Yeah.
I bought more chicken, so I'll cook the chicken in the morning, so I'll have two things.
Well, tomorrow we'll have beef, so.
Yeah.
If we make that. Okay, well, we better go.
All right. It's
Thank
been
you.
fun. See you later.